I love Indian men with the big name. Big name means big man. Comment dit-on? Subramania Narasimha Kupuzwami. You hear the sound and you know he's a very important guy. Come to my party, important guy.
Indian men all the time sit on the couch and watch the cricket on TV. How they called? Couch potato? I'm from Russia. I love potato. So just come to my bird party, sweet potato.
Indian men, you grown men, but you still live with your mama. You even watch TV soap and cry with your mama. So sweet, tan dulce como el azúcar. Come to my boat party, but don't come with your mama.
Your chance to join us on Axe Boat Party. Grab bags, call us.